Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing a easy spring flower set. So this is going to be a transfer foil set, so I'm just showing here the materials that we're going to be using as well as the instructions on the box too. So next we are going to apply the nail foil glue. I already applied the base coat as it said in the instructions, and then after we apply our glue we are going to cure for 2 minutes, and then we are going to put on our transfer foil, and then we're going to rub it onto the nail and keep rubbing until eventually the design ends up on the nail. So you'll see me like lifting up and checking and then putting back down and rubbing. So I'm going to do that until the design has transferred fully onto the nail. So next I'm going to show you guys here, I'm going to peel off the foil and we get to see the design. It's so pretty. I love the fact that it's like on a clear background so you see the flowers. Gorgeous. So next we are going to go in with our top coat because we want to protect our flowers. We are going to go in afterwards with acrylic and encapsulate. So we do need the top coat to protect the flowers, and then as well we will cure for 60 seconds after our top coat. So next we are encapsulating. You see me pick up a bead of acrylic, place it where the tip and the natural nail would have met, and then I slowly just work it all the way down. I am going to add a little more clear acrylic than I normally would, and we can always file it at the end, but I wanted to make sure that the nails were fully encapsulated, and because there is no acrylic on the nail, it's just the foil, we do have to build up our structure as well. So that's why my acrylic is going to be a bit thicker than normal, but like I said, we will go in with our file and file it to the perfect shape and structure that we need. I also did go ahead and speed up the encapsulation a little bit because it took a long time, okay? We are creating structure for the nails. It's our first time putting acrylic on the nails, so we are, creating all of that. So it took a while, and I didn't want to bore you guys, so I did go ahead and speed it up a bit. So next we are going to go in and use our nude acrylic. So this one's from Not Polish. I believe it's called Stone, which is number M31. And these two nails, so our ring finger and our middle finger, are going to be fully nude. And then we will go in with a design later on. But yes, you can just go ahead and watch me apply the acrylic. And I also only include the application on the ring finger because it's exactly the same steps that we would do for the middle finger as well. So next we are going to encapsulate. I encapsulated both fingers, but I only left the middle finger in the video because it's the exact same steps. Next, we're gonna go in with our e-file. I only left the pinky in the video, but I e-filed all the nails. So we are going to be sealing in our cuticle, and what that means is we are going to create a very thin line between our skin and where the acrylic starts. So in the middle of the two, there should be a very thin line. That way we can make sure that our acrylic is fully sealed in, and we will be able to prevent any liquids, hand creams, or any moisture from getting under the nail and causing lifting. So you'll see me going back and forth, sealing in the cuticle, and I'm also going to be using the e-file to smooth out the surface of the nail. So you'll see me going up and down the surface of the nail, and also just make sure to stabilize your finger while you are filing. Next, we're gonna go in with our design on our ring finger and our middle finger. So you see me pick up some bling gel, so I'm gonna place that on the nail, and then I'm gonna be picking up some rhinestones that I'm also gonna place on the nail. I did zoom in so you guys could see the rhinestone placement, and these turned out so pretty. I really love how it looked with the stones. It just made the set even more pretty. I love it. So I did go ahead and add more bling on the ring finger off camera, and then I went on and did the middle finger, and then I looked at both of the fingers together now that they both have stones on, and then I realized I like the the middle finger better, so I went ahead and removed the side stones on the ring finger, and it looked nicer to me. Like it's less but more at the same time. And it's different, you know, so we don't have a lot of cuticle bling, so I love it. And then we're gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Next, we're going to go in and apply our top coat on all of the nails. So this is the Not Polished Glossit. And then we are going to cure for 60 seconds. You guys already know that I multitask. So I cure one nail and I apply top coat on the other. So when the first one comes out, I put in the second one and we carry on until all the nails are done. They are so pretty. I love them. So in love. They are very simple, but at the same time so pretty. They're so cute. I have no words. I just love them. I hope you guys did too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.